as in a full circle or in a half circle, but it has a definite movement, definite time. In a definite time, there is a definite movement in a full circle or in a half circle. Here you will use round will be used here. Just suppose that the earth moves around the sun. Here about around will not use. The earth moves around the sun. And round and about convey your meaning approximately type. Suppose that come around 8 p.m. Come about round about 8 p.m. like this. I mean approximately type word. Clear? Then of and for means both give you meaning, but one gives you meaning like a cause and a reason. There is a difference between cause and reason. Cause is apparent and reason is, I mean, inside. Suppose that what is the cause for my illness? So it is a fever. Might be there is a fever. That's why I am ill. And what is the reason for my fever? Might be I didn't take care or I might have taken bath in late night, or some other reason might be there. Then only I had got fever. मुझे fever लगा था. क्या लगा है? Means what reason that is hidden and cause that is apparent. So for and of it conveys the same here. It both conveys reason. Cause, if the sentence is giving you cause meaning, then of preposition will come, and if it gives you reason meaning, then for preposition will come after. Suppose that what is the cause of this explosion and what is the reason for this explosion. Means cause for this explosion, that there must be a bomb there, or but what is the reason for this explosion? Means enemy hogi, there must be some enmity, that's why this is the meaning. And off, of and o double f of is a simple preposition, means but o double f of means I have read the plays of Shakespeare. This is a simple of meaning, preposition, but o double f of means separation. Switch off the light is separated from the current, so this is switch off the fan, or this way. And this way preposition by I had already told you, in and on I had given you, and almost all the prepositions are done. And preposition, and there are many more small things are already, means some taking some verb take some preposition, some noun will take some preposition, that is specified. Like describe, about will not come. Generally what we say, described about something. With describe, only what you are describing that noun will come just after. Suppose that he described the beauty of his beloved. He described about the beauty of his beloved. This is wrong. And he described beauty of his beloved. Only this way. There are many more nouns. If you will, that's why I have told you that grammar is a long way to go. For and preposition and verb, and these are the longest chapters. But yes, I have completed your preposition. This is I have compressed my chapter up to this level, and almost all the important things are done here. But still, I will tell that grammar is a deep sea, and it's not easy to go with grammar in the surface level, because grammar will give you a solid platform, not only for competition but for making your language strong. So it needs to work hard over grammar. If you take it seriously, then work over grammar and English as a language. So although the thing is completed, but yes, I had told you that there are many more nouns with which some, and there are 20, 30, 50 nouns are 100 nouns are, and there are lots of preposition. Verbs are there with those what preposition will take, what will not take. Suppose that marry. Marry is a verb. So if I am telling about with or to, so it is wrong. I mean, she's marrying with Sita. She is marrying to Sita. No, it is wrong. My friend married her. My friend married Sita. He marries Sita. I mean, directly now, with or to will not come. So this way, as a verb, as described, I had already told you, verb like order. So I ordered my servant to clean the car, but I ordered to my servant. So this will be wrong. So this way, there are so many things. Suppose that purpose, report, say, suggest, such type of propose करना किसी को propose, report करना, say, suggest, with this type of thing, two preposition will definitely come. Suppose that he proposed to us, he reported, said, suggested to me or to someone. But if I am telling advice, suggest and advice, both gives you the same meaning at the level. But with suggest, two preposition will definitely come. But with advice, two preposition will not come. With advice, two preposition will never ever come. But with suggest, two preposition will definitely come. This is the difference between ask, beg, encourage, invite. Yes, invite. This way, two preposition will not come. Directly, noun will come. This way, there are the difference. Suppose that comprise. What is its synonym? Consist of. With consist of preposition will come. But if you are telling about comprise, then comprise will come without preposition. Despite. So despite this, the sentence will just say, suppose that if you are telling despite his best efforts he failed, right? But its synonym is in spite of. The of preposition will definitely come here. Phrase preposition in spite of, है ना? तो jumble of preposition, तो phrase preposition, group of preposition. तो group of preposition, तो in spite of, तो in spite of his good effort he failed. So means here in spite of preposition will come, and despite will itself come alone. So this way, this is the difference between. So this is the I mean, sar and substance of preposition. But still I am telling, preposition is not only only a thing to go for a surface. Generally, what does it describe as a definition? It's definitely according to, but many more things we have to understand, and we have to work for preposition. So my preposition chapter is ended, and my next video will come over narration, and within only the last wing we are describing over narration, and after narration my syllabus is completed for grammar. Right now? Okay, have a nice day.